Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For this week video, we are going to make chocolate chips as scones. We need 1/4 cup to half a cup of sugar according to your liking, 300 grams all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, 3/4 cup all-purpose cream, 1 egg, a pinch of salt to balance the flavor, vanilla extract, 2½ teaspoons baking powder, 100 grams chilled butter, chocolate chips, combine flour, baking powder, and sea salt. Mix it well. Cut the butter into small cubes. Put your butter to your flour mixture, then you can cut it using a pastry cutter or a fork, or using your hands. You know that your flour mixture is in the right consistency if it holds like polvoron. Add your all-purpose cream, add vanilla extract, add 1 egg, mix it into your flour mixture, add the chocolate chips. I used my cake pan to mold the mixture. Press it to hold your scones more firmer. Freeze your scones for 10 to 15 minutes, then cut it according to your liking. Brush some evaporated milk or cream on top. Bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until golden brown. There you have it, scones.
If you'd like me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.